How to update Costco mobile application. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update Costco mobile application. The Costco mobile app is designed to enhance the shopping experience for Costco members by providing convenient access to various features on the go. It is one of the largest retailers in the world, which operates membership warehouses where bulk quantities of merchandise are sold at discounted prices to the members who pay an annual fee. Now, in order to update your Costco mobile application, you will need to first open the Google Play Store on your device. Simply tap on it to open it and make sure you are logged into your Google account. Once you open the Play Store, you will land on this home page. Now here you will need to tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Now here on the top, you will be able to see the search bar. Simply tap on it and there type in Costco mobile app and then search for it. You will get various search results below. Here you will need to find the authentic Costco mobile application. Since the application is not available in my region, I'm not able to proceed further. But if this application is available in your region, you'll be able to see the authentic Costco application in the search results. Here you just simply need to tap on the app and then inside it you will need to look for the update option. If the update is available, you'll be able to see it in that page. Simply tap on the update button and then wait for a while until it gets up to date on your device. If in case you are not able to do it, then you may also go to the official website or the app page of Costco. For that, you will need to open any of your web browser on your device and in the search bar here, type in Costco mobile app and then search for it. Now in the search result, you will be able to see Costco application. Once you find it, simply tap on this Costco app and then inside it, you will be able to see the update button if it is available. Simply tap on it and then install the latest version of the Costco application. After updating, you will launch the application and then sign into your account using your credentials to access all the features including your digital membership cards, savings, shopping, pharmacy services and warehouse information. So this is how you can update your Costco mobile application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.